DSL Cold Chain Private Limited is a trusted name in reefer containers and cold chain solutions. Construction begins with heavy-duty Hindalco aluminum flooring, providing a strong and durable base. Each container is engineered for durability, hygiene, and reliable temperature control. Next comes a 1.2 mm Domex corrugated outer sheet. A metal reinforcement structure adds extra strength and stability. This is followed by a 6 mm plywood layer. Inside, a Jindal SS304 food-grade stainless steel sheet provides a hygienic, corrosion-resistant, and easy-to-clean surface. Finally, 120 mm PUF insulation is injected at a density of 40 to 42 kilograms per cubic meter for effective thermal protection. For superior cooling, robust construction, and dependable performance, contact DSL Cold Chain today.